House of Kiana Instant Ponytail. Handmade with House of Kiana Virgin Brazilian hair. Push the comb and then proceed to wrap Velcro around base of ponytail. Hold that thing in place while you wrap, don't let go. Feel to cover Velcro with hair strand. Almost ready for the turn up in less than 3 minutes. Keep wrapping, then tuck last strand in. I know the color is off, I didn't have time to dye it, but it can be dyed. Just wanted to make this quick video to show you how to install. Go to houseofkiana.com to order your instant pony today.